We Talk Football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you not by Matondo but by Fezile Security Services. Putu Godfrey.
Oh lada.
Sundowns yanibamba ngo-1-1 noma nibambile.
Yazi awona ama game asoma nahlala angilimaza kakhulu. Abuyima because even last season siyekile like Netso.
Yeah.
Same repeat.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah.
Siyekile Netso.
Channel 100.
Mara khathathe namhlanje ne wabona coach wethu.
Yeah.
Wamtshele ngeSundowns wabona.
Yeah.
Waya lapha aqhaqhazela.
Yeah.
Kahle he gives Sundowns too much respect. Yes, he gives Sundowns too much respect.
Why?
Yeah. No. And even this short guy, Mailula.
Yes.
Wafuna ukwenza lo mfana isitanga athi. Hey, yabona. Uthasele mina what's that? A short guy like this, like Mailula. Why I just go ball so bese yakora.
Anithe ushapa bolo kaThola.
First touch. And if you are a goalkeeper, you must make sure when you come out,
you win that ball.
You must win that ball.
Yeah.
How can you find that ball and you don't even sure that you're gonna catch up that ball? At least you were supposed to catch that ball.
Yes.
You were supposed to even to stay there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stay on his line.
To stay on his line. So I want to game so because we were supposed to capitalize this game. We were supposed to manage this game. Yeah. Because if you can check, if you can allow Mudaku to play. So
yeah.
So this substitute young final Upili.
Yeah.
It's called the substitute. Because Batman.
Yeah.
They were all over. They were Gijima corner. But when I put Sundowns, but there was a mistake.
Yeah.
Because they forced them to defend, not to attack. Because the best way to defend is to attack. Yeah. Especially when you play like Sundowns. Ungabavumeli ukuthi abantu laba badlale bazokulimaza kumele ubafake pressure yabona. So that's why ngithi ama game yaso man for me okay, draw is better than nothing, but for me I feel like we lost this game.
Yes.
Because this game like this is the game that we will take it. Exactly. Especially if you can check in the middle of the park, Sundowns or whenever like yes. So if like Sundowns like my players from Umkwena bangekho so sizoshani kanjani
basogcina nini ukudlala
exactly nokukekana nayo ukunini ukudlala. So that's why ngitshela ukuthi kahle Sundowns lama game aso man i-coach ngiblame i-coach for the game namhlanje.
Mhlambe i-man of the match wayini kabanje.
Wala umthetho ne. No Nyambozi. Yes. Okay, mara nalo uNdlovu naye show up ne. He showed up but abona uNyambozi ne udlala kakhulu abona. I-Chiefs kathi mawukabheka ne. Ikile game la kathi si control abona. Like njengoba ngisho ngithi coach wethu ne. Nalo mfana la ngazi obayimisapi lo uMntasingi. Basamfaka lapha. Kahle igame yaso.
Isidingo sokumfaka.
Yes. Lama game yaso like umfana la umfundo. Faka abafana labo umfundo labo. Bazoyihlasela Sundowns. Wabona. Like ubushabalala. Ubushabalala lama eTs lama team njeka lawa. Lama team laba abamotivate. Badlala ukudlala nabo. So mina isidingo sochisete for ile game namhlanje.
So too slow.
Bengasiboni isidingo sakho ngoba too slow wabona. Or else afake uvele by. Because uvele by bazonika Sundowns. Bazonika inkinga yabona. Bazomforce la ukuthi adlale deep yabona. So Sundowns mawuyivumela ukuthi uattack unika that role izokulimaza Sundowns. So that's why ngithi ama game njengalawa kahle man lo coach wethu unike lo the Sundowns irrespect kakhulu and we're not supposed to yabona. No, I see. All right, no.